Good day everyone, we are Group 3, and today we will be discussing mobile applications. Before we begin, let us first introduce ourselves. Harvey Reyes, Sorel Christian Jalen, Patrick Villasista, and Dwayne Ventura. Next presenter please.
Question number 1. What was the most challenging part of the project? The most challenging part of the project was fixing unexpected errors in the code. Sometimes the program would not work as intended, and it took a lot of trial and error to identify the exact problem, especially when it involved logic errors or compatibility issues between different parts of the system. It really tested my patience and problem solving skill, but it also helped me become more comfortable in thinking critically about how the code works. Next presenter, please.
Question number 2. Can you briefly discuss Android development and your experience with it? Android development is the creation of mobile apps for Android devices using tools like Android Studio and languages such as Java or Kotlin. My experience with this is that I had a hard time creating this application because it was my first time making an app that can be used through a cell phone and is very challenging because my laptop kept hanging. But overall, I was very happy to create the app because it is a big achievement for me. Next presenter, please.
Question number 3. What makes your app unique compared to other similar application? Number 1. Aesthetic and clean user interface. Number 2. Personalized welcome and experience. Number 3. Integrate and style feed. And number 4. Seamless and product in flow. And number 5. Smart and recommendation or corruption. And number 6, simple and fast and login and onboarding. And number 7, visual first and shopping and experience. Okay. Uh,
Does your app design meet user needs? If yes, please explain how it addresses those needs. Okay, so first it is a user-friendly navigation. It has a start point. The user flow begins with a clear get started option, guiding new users smoothly into the app. Second is registration and sign in. Then the third one is organize product categories, menu options. The design includes distinct categories like women's, men's, and mix, making it easy for user to locate the products they are interested in. And the third is search functionality. And fourth, efficient shopping process. Add to cart features. Checkout confirmation, smooth checkout experience, finalization of purchase, and confirmation, visual clarity and structure, and flowchart adaptation. Overall, Shopmate's design effectively meets user needs by ensuring a seamless and efficient e-commerce experience characterized by user-friendly navigation, organized product categorization, and a straightforward checkout process. Thank you.